Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and I'm back with a 5-minute review for the You to the People Superberry Dream Cleansing Balm. I'm so excited to give this a proper full-length review. You know I'm a cleansing balm stickler. Like, I don't care, okay? Like, these can be just horribly made, okay? Like, the products in skincare that can be horribly made, I am the toughest on. But spoiler alert, this isn't one of those, so very exciting. This is a solid cleansing balm. It comes in a jar just like this. It retails for $34. You can get it on YTTP.com. It'll be linked down below. Immediately, the texture of this was shocking to me. As you can see, I literally dropped some of it. This is a solid cleansing balm. Like, it doesn't just like, oh, like, no. You're intentional with that dig in there. Everything about it is so thick. Like, it's not just thick though. There's a thickness, and then there's like it can literally roll off of your fingers. It's solid, man. Like, it's solid. So you really do have to have like pressure and heat to get it to melt down, like it says. They do describe it as a velvety whipped balm. This is something I come across very often, and it could be my own misunderstanding, but I don't think it is. People call things whipped in the beauty industry that are absolutely not whipped at all. Whipped is airy. Whipped is whipped cream. Whipped is almost like I should be a little concerned with how much product I'm getting, because each, you know, should be kind of full of air. You know what I'm saying? So there's no air in this. This is a solid. Look at the depth of that crevice. Like, look at that. Where are we getting whipped from? Like, where are we getting that word? Anyways, so here are the claims. Let's just run them down real quick. For the most part, I do agree with their claims. I think they did a really great job. Flash melting is the only thing I have a problem with. Real quick, it needs a little more pressure. Like, flash melting makes me feel like it's gonna start melting in my hands. It's not going to do that. I also do have cold hands, warm heart, so maybe it's a little different for other people. But for me, it's not just gonna turn into a ball in my hands. Like, no, if I put it on my face, I need to press it into that one spot. Like, I can't just wipe now. Like, I gotta, you know, make sure. Y'all will see. But rapidly dissolves makeup and sunscreen. I agree. I think after the initial getting it on your face part of the application, pretty much your typical cleansing balm. Like, it breaks it down just as quick. I have no complaints, really. So it is actually impressive for how solid it is, how quickly it will dissolve your makeup and your sunscreen. It does have that oil to milk, water soluble texture going on. It's fine. It's not too runny or anything. Sometimes I do notice that, like, you'll add water and then it gets so runny that it gets into your eyes and whatnot in the shower. It's just not cute. So this is fine. It doesn't do too much. You know what I mean? It doesn't turn into milk and then just like slip off your face in a really like way. Rinses clean. I totally agree. I think it rinses very well. And then as far as leaving your skin soft and hydrated, I totally agree as well. I do think my favorite cleansing balm is still the Juno & Co. 10 what? I don't know what it's called, but I have a whole video on it. I really like it. I just think it's good, and it's good for the price point because I believe it's like $14. I will see how long this one will last, though. That's the one thing. Because it's so solid, I've used this probably 5-6 times. And that's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a good amount there. So I do want to talk about some of its notable ingredients, because this is the first Superberry You to the People product I've tried, so I'm not too familiar at all. I don't know what Superberry was. I was completely unfamiliar. So basically, here comes pronunciation. maki berry, that's what we're gonna call it, is the a berry that has the highest quantity of antioxidants of any food or fruit. It has anti-aging property and wards off free radicals like a mofo. So that's the superberry that we are referring to. So I've literally thought that like there is a berry called superberry before this, but then I did my research. So yes, that is the berry that is referring to. It's apparently amazing and known for its anti-aging properties and is used in a lot of skincare. So I was really excited about it. I'm excited to see if overall I notice anything, you know, any results, if my skin just looks better and brighter. But I really don't look for a lot of anti-aging in my cleansers, so it's cool. I appreciate it because it is the most abrasive part of my routine, but it's just like, you know, I'm glad that this is a good cleansing balm. You know what I'm saying? More so than its properties or benefits and things like that. But I will say the most important thing to me, aside from getting my makeup off in a timely manner and leaving my skin feeling good, is my eyes. I've been burned before. I think we've all been burned by a cleansing balm. Like that's what I'm talking about when I say that they can be so wrong. Is, oh, take your makeup off. Oh, everything's fine. It looks good, until my cornea is singed, and it's bullshit. I have to be honest. It's bullshit. Like, no, absolutely not. You're not gonna tell me to rub my eyes with this and it burns, and or my contacts will get blurry. This and that. You know what it can be like. So. I have no problems with this. It doesn't burn my eyes. It feels amazing. I don't have that weird blurriness after. I don't have to change my contacts. I can enjoy the rest of my night and my 20/20 vision that I pay so much for and have desperately been stripped from me my whole life. Thank you, genetics. But it's whatever. Thank you. At least I can see at night. So I appreciate that. I know that there's a lot of cleansing balms that don't cater to that. So other than that, overall, I think it's worth it. I do think that I like the other cleansing balm more, the Juno & Co one, yes, but overall, we're gonna have to see, like, if this one lasts me longer, because I went through 2 of those pretty quickly. I'm not even gonna lie, I went through 2 of them pretty quickly. So if this lasts longer, then it really might be worth it. I'm really impressed. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke. And other than that, I hope this video found you in the best place possible. And I will see you next time. Bye. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4 p.m. cause he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure 4. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep.